Home Department. The total allocation of the Home Department has been increased by rupees 1,303.03 crores. Speaker sir, my government to intend notify the new rule for the casino operation in the state under the Goa Daman and Diu and Public Gambling Act 1976 to regulate the casino operating in the state. My government will also initiate the process of drafting the new Goa Police Bill 2023 in line with the model bill prepared by MHA. Speaker sir, I propose to make Goa Welfare Pension Scheme for seafarers permanent in order to aid the seafarer. Speaker sir, I assure the people of Goa that my government will show the zero tolerance to any form of the extortion threats. My government will soon launch a mobile app so that such cases could be reported directly to the police and quick coercive actions as per the law can be initiated. Fire and emergency services. The total allocation of the fire and emergency services has been increased by 21.56% and it is rupees 129.19 crore. Speaker sir, my government will enact the model draft Goa Fire and Emergency Service Bill 2023 shared by MHA, which is very comprehensive and will cater all aspects of fire and emergency services in the state. Speaker sir, in order to strengthen firefighting infrastructure, I proposed to relocate Pedne Fire Station, identify the suitable land for the construction of the new Konkani Fire Station, expedite the work on a fire station at Bicholim and Valpai, and also to procure the 42 meters of the turntable ladders to rescue the operation in super high-rise buildings. For this purpose, the capital provision of rupees 44.03 crores has been proposed for the fire and emergency services.